the strength of the family would depend on the capacity to love and to teach how to love. Kung titingnan po natin, sa pagdiriwang po natin ngayon, pagmamahalang dahilan, why we are gathered in the sacred celebration. Because if Jomel and Arlene, if they are not in love with one another, there can be no reason for us to celebrate here, isn't it? Dahil nagmamahalan sila, kaya nandito sila ngayon at hinihiling sa Diyos na mabasbasan ang kanilang pagmamahalan. The first bidding, anong ipinapahayag doon? Ang pagkilala na bahagi ng iyong buhay. Ganun din po sa inyong dalawa. Pagtanggap ninyo sa isa't isa sa gitna ng kahinaan. Pagkilala na Jomel, regalo ng Diyos si Arlene sa iyong buhay. Same thing also, Arlene. Jomel is the most valuable, the most important gift that God has bestowed upon you today, sa araw na ito. Kailanman ang Diyos ay di magkukulang na magmamahal sa inyo. Huwag din kakalimutan na mahalin si Lord. At syempre, ang pagmamahal na yan would be channeled also the way you love each other and the children that will come in your lives.
I'll be there for you when the sky falls down. I'll be there for you when no one's around. I'll be there for you.
Babe, ito na yung araw na hinihintay natin. Dati, biruan lang. Sabi na babe dito rin mapupunta ang relasyon natin.
I know life won't go your way, and you never know what to say. But when you have nothing left, I still love you.
Pinapangako sa'yo na gagawin ko lahat para maibigay ang pamilya na pinapangarap mo. Tiwala lang tayo kay Lord para igay tayo at malampasan natin yung mga pagsubok na darating sa atin.
I'll be there for you.
Hi babe. Well, eto na yung hinihintay natin. Eto na yung bagay na sinasabi mo sa akin na magiging worth it yung tagal ng paghihiwalay natin, yung hirap ng hindi magkasama. Ngayon, haharap tayo sa altar ng magkasama.
And you never know what to say. But when you have nothing left, I still love you. You could turn your back on, but 1,000 miles away.
Ayun, basta andyan si God sa gitna natin dalawa, magiging okay din tayo.
It's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful
Basta, puso lang. Alam mo na yan.
I've been losing sleep.
Gagamitin ko na. Ganda, salamat.
I've been praying hard.
Kuha ko yan talaga taste ko. Mga hiling ko. Salamat babe. Ganda.
I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could.
Thank you for everything. See you in the future and soon to be Mrs. San Victores. I love you. Love, Mr. San Victores. Thank you. Chica, bebe.
I feel your love endless river every turn. Hope is our four-letter word. Make that money.
Jomel, bukal ba sa loob ang ipagparito upang makita dibdib si Arlene na iyong pakamamali paglilingkuran habang buhay? Opo, Father.
When I found you, I found my fate in your arms. When I found you, I found no cause for alarm. When I found you, I knew this love was a gift from above. When I found you, I found love, yeah. I know true love sounds crazy, but worth waiting for. You are the one, my only, forever and more.
Arlene, bukal ba sa loob ang iyong pagparito upang makita dibdib si Jomel na iyong pakamamali paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
When I found you, found one more reason to smile. When I found you, I knew I finally found enough. When I found you, I found love. Yeah, I did. When I found you, I found love. When I found you, I found love.
Pangako sa'yo, nandito lang magpapakatatag tayo. Tiwala lang. Sana walang magbago. Babe, panaod na ko, higugmaan, antod sa kahanturan.